Thin the meat on both sides using a beef tenderizer. Add oil to one side, black pepper, salt, mozzarella cheese, garlic, parsley, grated Parmigiano Reggiano, pecorino romano, breadcrumbs. Fold the beef, then roll. Use a string to tie both ends of the braciole. In a large pan on medium heat, add olive oil and the braciole. Cook for 2 minutes on each side, making sure all sides are browned. This will seal the flavor. Remove the braciole and reduce the heat to medium-low. Add white wine, deglaze, then add strained tomatoes, water, and stir. Place the braciole back into the sauce. Cover the braciole. Cook for 20 minutes. Turn the braciole, cover with sauce, and cook for an additional 20 minutes. Remove the string, place the braciole on top of the pasta. Pour sauce on top, garnish, and enjoy your Italian beef braciole.